Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Appa is thinking of making sesame oil chicken today, my family's comfort food. So I have here half of a free-range chicken cut into chunks, and then most important ingredient here is the ginger slices. Yeah, I added some garlic clove. Then let's take a look at the rest of the ingredient. First of all, these are the condiments I'm going to use. I have some Saute wine, oyster sauce, dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, sesame oil. This is important. And then of course my cooking appa chicken stock powder. If you want, you can very briefly marinate the chicken with a little bit of light soy sauce and some Saute wine. All right. And let's go and saute the ginger with sesame oil. First of all, we are going to add some oil. Now, this is the thing for you to take note. Don't just put sesame oil by its own. It can make your dish becomes bitter later. So what I normally do is I put some and mix with some vegetable oil. And I'll be adding some sesame oil right before serving also. So let's heat this up. Once it is heated up, we can put in the ginger and also garlic. And let's saute this for a minute or two until at least until the ginger start to curl up a little bit. Right, this is about 1 minute plus. You can see, you start to see the ginger has started to curl, the garlic has browned. Now we can put in the marinated chicken. I wish you all can smell this ginger and sesame oil. Is now very fragrant, super fragrant. And of course now I can smell the Saute wine because of the marinade just now. I'll let it rest for like 30-40 seconds before I continue. Right, let me give it a few stir again. So I have charred the chicken a little bit. Yeah, that's my personal preference. See the char. Now let's start with some dark soy sauce. About 1-2 tablespoons. Already it looks very yummy. Now I'm going to tune down the fire to the lowest fire. First of all, let's give it some Saute wine. One small bowl of Saute wine. You don't take Saute wine, you just omit the Saute wine, okay? About 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, about 1 to 2, maybe 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. Some my cooking appa chicken stock powder made out of 100% natural ingredient. You can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Shopee Singapore or any physical store of Vietnamese restaurant throughout the whole Malaysia. They recently opened one outlet in Johor Bahru. Yeah. Now we can raise the heat to medium high, and let me add in some water. This is hot water. Try to use hot water during cooking so that you don't reduce the temperature of the wok. Yeah, your cooking process can be more efficient. Let's bring this to a boil. Once it is boiling, put on the lid. This is my personal preference. We are going to do the reducing method right now. So I'm going to tune down to medium-low heat. Yeah, I'm going to cook it for at least 15 to 20 minutes. By doing so, the sauce will actually thicken up by itself and it will get absorbed better into the chicken. Right, this is coming to about 18 minutes. My daughter is complaining she's hungry. Never mind. Alright, as you can see from here, the sauce has reduced by itself. I'll probably put in a little bit of starch solution. A wee bit of sesame oil again, yeah. All right. Few dashes of white pepper. Done. Giving it some final stir. So here's the sesame oil chicken, and I will give it a bit of fresh coriander for garnishing. Done. So I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Up Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram. Thank you very much. Bye bye.